We have a serious problem with illegal aliens who stream across the border. And if you really look at our statistics, a lot of these firstly it's unemployment and illegal aliens. You emphasized the devastation that occurs when big companies leave towns and cities, and there's a culture of dependency that develops. If we don't get our economy to grow, the culture of dependency and the lawlessness will increase. I've been against apartheid all my life, and I'm their #1 target. Please just Google my name and Malema. The crime is terrible, sir, but Mr. Steenhuisen won't admit to it, but he runs the Western Cape, where I live. And the biggest murder rate is in the Cape Flats. Gangs. We've got gang warfare. Like your M33 or whatever these guys. We've got equivalents there. But we need your help, sir.